Today, I want to share why I built Proofy Reviews. If you own a Wix store, you have probably searched for a reviews app at some point. I did too. At first, everything looked great. Most apps promised beautiful review widgets, photo reviews, video reviews, and easy imports. But after spending time setting everything up, I kept running into the same problem. There were limits everywhere. Some apps limited the number of reviews, some limited photo or video uploads, some charged extra for importing reviews, others worked as a free trial, but once the trial ended, you had to start paying every month just to keep using the features your store depended on. And that really frustrated me. I kept thinking customer reviews belong to the merchant. They should not be locked behind monthly subscriptions or feature limits. The more I looked into it, the more I realized many Wix store owners were dealing with exactly the same problem. That is when I decided to build something different. I did not want to build just another reviews app. I wanted to build the reviews app that I wished existed from the beginning. That is how Proofy Reviews was created. The goal was simple. Give Wix merchants everything they need without asking them to upgrade every time their business grows. With Proofy Reviews, you can collect unlimited product reviews. You can upload unlimited photos and unlimited videos. You can import unlimited reviews. There are no limits on storage, uploads, or the number of reviews you collect. If you are already using another platform, moving is easy. You can import your existing reviews from Fera, Amazon, Etsy, AliExpress, and other supported sources in just a few clicks. Whether you have 100 reviews or 100,000 reviews, Proofy Reviews grows with your business. The best part is that Proofy Reviews is 100% free. There is no free trial. There are no hidden feature limits. There are no surprise upgrade messages. If you have been searching for a free alternative to Fera Reviews or Kudobuzz for Wix, I built Proofy Reviews for you. I genuinely hope it saves you money and helps you build more trust with your customers. If you would like to try it, search for Proofy Reviews in the Wix app market and install it today. Thank you for watching, and I hope Proofy Reviews becomes a small part of your business success.